Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to hide specific features in the normal debug mode, and with the debug mode it will visible the specific features. And in case you missed previous discussion about what is debug mode and how to use the debug mode, please check, link is given in the description. And if you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblands channel. Under the playlist you can see Odoo development label is here. You can see here different types of playlist available with the different topic wise with the real test cases. In case you need any support related Odoo, you can visit the about page and send your query to this email address. Source code also available in the GitHub, make sure you can follow. And we have a different social media pages, make sure you can follow to get the latest notification. So let's back to our main topic, like how we can hide the specific menus or fields from the normal screen. So let's say if I will click to this menu, you can see here those menus are available, right? Let's say I want to hide this student profile in the normal screen, then how can I do it, right? So for that, the Odoo provides there is a specific group. The name is the group underscore no underscore use, right? So we are trying to implement that part and we will see like how it is working. So let's say menu item. First let's see the name, student profile, and here I will try to use here the groups, right? And let's say base dot like group underscore no underscore one. So this is the group we have to implement. And here the interesting thing is, like when you start the debug mode, after this menu will display, right? So for example, let me deactivate this developer mode and I will go to in the settings, right? You can see here two menus is display, right? And there is no any extra menus are displayed. But let's say if I will active the developer mode, right, and I'm going to in the settings, now you can see the group is display, right? And if you remember, before the developer mode on, you can see only user and companies is available, not the group. Plus the translation menu is not available and the technical, like this. So we are trying to also achieve the same part here also in the student profile. So for that, like we implemented this group, like it's available in the base module in the XML side, like group underscore no one. And simple, I will try to upgrade this module. And in case you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check editor level playlist, I already explained. And simple, I will try to refresh the screen. Now let me give you the demo. Let's say right now the debug mode is off, and now you can see the first menu is the discuss menu, right? And if I will, like let's say, active the developer mode and I'm going to here in the main menu, you can see now its student profile is displayed, right? And let's say if I will disable the debug mode, you cannot see here that menu, right? This is the good feature, we can say, right? And not only the menus, but you can also implement whenever the groups is applied, right? So let's say I don't want to display the student image in the without debug mode, okay? So for that, like first I will find out that view, that form view. So this is the form view, right? And you can see we implemented here the student image. So simple, I will try to use here like group equal to base dot group no use, and simple, I will try to upgrade the module. You can see in the debug mode it will display, but in the normal screen you cannot see here, right? Like let's say equal to 1, Oops, there is a one mistake I did here. Is this, instead of the use we have to use the one. Sorry for that spelling mistake. And once the refresh the screen, now you can see here the image is display right in the debug mode. And once I will remove the debug mode, now you can see it's gone. Once I will active the debug mode, you can see it's visible. So like that way we can also implement remain these fields. So these fields for the debug purpose I just activated, like what is the database ID, what is the creation of the date and who created, right? So this information we don't need to display to the end user. So let's say even they don't know also the how to, like how the debug mode is also working, right, for the normal users, let's say. So here we can just use this, like it's a groups base dot group no one. Let me copy and paste and try to upgrade this module and refresh the screen. And another thing is, like there is a two type of debug mode is available. One is the normal, which is this one, and another is the with assets. So with assets also it will display, right, this one. But let's say if I will try to mark as a 0, you cannot see the image and the ID and all, right? So this is for the normal user. And what is the purpose, right? So let's say there is a technical terms, or let's say only the admin user can see some fields, right? Or let's say there is a some configuration configured by only the admin user and you want to hide for the normal user, then this feature come to the picture. Let's say the debug mode 1, and after that it will display the rest of the information. Okay, so if you have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below and see you in our next session.